Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.7, Problem 16. This is Section 2.7, Problem 16. It says find an equivalent fraction by filling in the blank. And we have 2 over 17 equals blank over 51. So, first consider the denominator. 17 times something multiplied to be 51. Now, I know it's times 3. Let's say you don't see that. Well, how did I know it's 3? What you can do is just go off to one side and just divide it. 51 divided by 17. And if you try a few different things, 3 is a good thing to try. 3 times 7 is 21. You write the 1, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus the 2 more that you carried is 5. So it's 51. You subtract those and evenly, no remainder. So it is 3. I knew it was 3, but if you didn't, this type of division will tell you that it's, in this case, 3, whatever it comes out to. So to get from one denominator to the other denominator, I had to do times 3. So the numerator has to be times the same amount, times 3. So the numerator of 2 times 3 would give me 6. So 6 over 51 is equivalent to 2 over 17.